Unlock the secret to viral kids content. 5 massive reasons why you must start with YouTube animated kids stories right away. 1. Super profitable, untapped, and low competition. Even new and small creators are making $1,000 and more every day with just a few videos. Imagine the potential for someone like you. 2. YouTube loves kids-friendly content and actively pushes it. YouTube is putting a spotlight on family-friendly content, also placing them in Kids app, making it easier and giving you access to a massive audience. 3. Addictive and evergreen niche with massive global audience. Unlike other niches, this one will never go out of style. Plus, the audience is massive and global, ensuring a steady stream of views and revenue. 4. Diverse monetization options from ad revenue to sponsorships, merchandise, digital products, affiliate marketing. There are numerous ways to monetize your animated kids stories channel. 5. Nobody is doing what we are doing, so you can have an unfair advantage over your competition and dominate your niche. Imagine your channel skyrocketing with engaging and entertaining content that keeps kids glued to their screens. Kids Videoz AI gives you the power to dominate the YouTube Kids scene and turn your passion into profit. Kids Videoz AI is a revolutionary app that allows you to effortlessly create unlimited YouTube story videos that captivate millions of viewers, subscribers, and potential commissions. No skills or creativity required. Here are some amazing features of Kids Videoz AI. Create unlimited YouTube kids story videos in minutes that attract millions of views, subscribers, and commissions. 3 different modes to create engaging, profitable kids story videos quickly. Create captivating stories for kids in one click with AI. Effortlessly create engaging AI characters and images for your stories. Bring your stories to life with human-like voiceovers. Captivating music for your videos that will keep kids glued to the screen. Reach a broader audience with one-click subtitle generator. Brand your videos with intro, outro screens. Design captivating thumbnails that get more views. Elevate your kids' stories with image background remover tool. Enhance your images with advanced image former tool. Different aspect ratio options for multiple platforms. One-click social sharing to gain more exposure and views. Newbie-friendly and easy to use. No technical skills required. Designed for quick results. Free commercial license allowing you sell kids story videos created with Kids Videoz AI. Low one-time price during launch period only. The best part? All it takes is just 3 simple steps to create a highly engaging, professional, and profitable animated kids story video with AI Video Tales. Step 1. Select from the library of pre-made templates. Copy, paste, or craft a compelling and engaging kids story in just one click with AI. Step 2. AI then converts it to scenes. Add text, images, voiceovers, music, branding, and more to make it unique and engaging. Step 3. In minutes, your high-quality animated kids story video will be ready to be shared on YouTube, attracting millions of views and subscribers. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Start creating endless YouTube success today with Kids Videoz AI. Check the below link to see how easy it is to use Kids Videoz AI.